All right, what is good, y'all boys? We're gonna be back testing the month of March, which was March last week. We're gonna be going over how I'm gonna be getting the highest percentage in that month in that week. This week is really good bad price action, so I'm gonna go recover that week and then see how I could apply it a little better. So low key, I have short term attention span, so I don't remember what happened last week, but we're gonna play out this week and then or this the week that we're gonna back test right now, and then we're gonna aim for a high win rate percentage. Set up my time zone real quick and then let's run it up. So generally right now when it comes to price, we've been in a pretty relatively shit market condition. So we're gonna go to next day open, trading Monday, only trading targeting 30-40 points base hits, and then we'll go from there. But as of right now, price did take out draws of liquidity, so we can expect a reversal sequence here, and then we'll go from there. So price took out this high. We made an order block here. We displaced, rebalanced again, displaced again, inversing this gap here. I'm gonna wait for a rebalance entry. We don't get anything right now. Wait for this rebalance. Beautiful displacement here. We could easily look for a continuation of this draw here, which is only like 10 points. And then we have this low as well here. So again, still nice rebalance there. Nice displacement here. This is confirmation to go lower right now. We did take out this candle here, so nice low displacement. Rebalance here. I like that candle a lot. So this displacement candle with this big move in that wick here, I would have taken an entry roughly around here. We're gonna look for a continuation for shorts though. So we're gonna sell two. We're only gonna keep stop loss for about 30 points, targeting a 1-on-1 here. 2 minis, so my usual sizing is. And then stop loss is just a scalp move, targeting 28 points, and then TP around here. So stopped out, and then we continued lower, smashing full TP. Now, the way that you could have applied this a little better, obviously with price here, you could have gotten a way better entry around this area. Now, this is straight price action chopping. There's not really much clarity. You guys got to realize that, there's not really much any setups presenting itself. So Monday, low probable days. You kind of just want to take those days to the chin. We'll go to next day open though. I'm gonna aim for 80% this week, even though we did just lose one trade just now. We're just gonna take this week into discretion. So no draws got taken out yet. We're still in range. We're in chop. Nice displacement candle right there after taking out this low here. We had these stacked lows got taken out. This low got edged. But we do also have an SMT here with this low and this low. So divergence right now. Beautiful displacement. You can expect a continuation here. Nice rebalance candle, this candle right here. I want to see price continue higher to this draw liquidity. And then stop loss a 1-on-1 here. Roughly 1-on-1 for this candle close the displacement. So play this out here. Stop loss right here at this low. Looking for a continuation. Stopped out. So we reversed off of technically nothing. Again, in models in days like this where you want to expect continuations, you can't really get them, bro. Like this price action isn't presenting itself. So go to next day open. Displacing past draws. Displacing. We have a continuation sequence here. Still consolidating. Rebalance, manipulation of highs. This wick already taken out. ES is diverging right now. This is just chop fest right now. Not much clarity. Good rebalance, good displacement here. I'm gonna try some shorts here to go lower. To this internal low here around 930 open. We could target 930 open as well. That's a little bit bigger of a move, but we'll enter here. Displacement, stop loss above this 1 minute here, and then just targeting 930 open 30 points. We'll see. We'll enter sells right now. Stop loss above the highs here. TPing internal lows right now. Nice displacement, nice move, smash full TP. So this is a nicer day. This is Wednesday. We had a nice little rebalance, displacement off of it. We had SMT these highs right now. So price accumulated. We got the break. We got the retest of PXL with this 1 minute displacement entry. Smacked for 33 points around that 930 open. So we're taking that. We'll go next day open here. Took out this low here. We broke above this high. We're respecting this 1 minute here. We have no micro SMTs. We took out the same high up here on ES and NQ. Micro SMT up here with this high on NQ and ES. Displacement here. This is nice. This is still pre-macro though, so nice inverse right there. I'm going to wait for a rebalance tap to this 1 minute here, and then I'm going to limit sell right here, and then stop loss above this candle that displays, targeting this candle opener. We got tapped in here, so we'll set our limits. Stop loss above here for 30 points. Targeting this low here for 36 points. smacked full TP for a 1-on-1 R. So that was a good entry right there. We tapped limit right there at that 1 minute inverse. Look for the displacement. This is a continuation yet, I think. Yeah. So from Rice right now, we looked at, we displaced 1 minute rebounds, displaced here, took an entry again. But generally just a continuation based sequence. 1-on-1 here is probable. Consolidated, wait for this, wait for signatures to present itself here. We got an SMT at these highs. We displaced in this candle. We displaced inverse in this 1 minute. We took the rebalance entries 1 minute inverse, and then we took the shorts here to these draws. So we'll go to next day open here. Micro SMT here. Rebalance, took out both highs. Still wicking hella. Okay, beautiful displacement move right there. Inversing this gap right here. Rebalance to this thing, 938. I do like the characteristics that all these stacked lows got taken out. We do have a lot of lows though. And on the 3 and 5 minute, obviously we're still in range. So we could potentially see this high get taken out. We'll use this as a DOL. Go down back to the 1 minute. Let's break it down. Still messing around. High got taken out. We're displacing here. No entries yet. Price took out this high. We're absolutely just running, which is beautiful. We have this previous day highs over here that we pretty much 938 from that day. Market open. Rebouncing. Micro SMT here. Inversing this gap here. Inversing. PXH is getting tapped. Displacement here. I would take this entry to continue higher up here. It's about like 20 points. I want to wait for rebalance though. We got a nice little rebalance there. Okay, we're edging off of nothing. We inverse this gap here. We're manipulating this low. We look like we're displacing, so I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute here. This 1 minute got tapped right now. From this swing high all the way down to the swing low, we're tapped into 0.5. We got displacement off of it. 10 a.m. opened. I'm gonna look for potential shorts here. Okay, I like this candle here, so we're gonna enter sells here. Stop loss above this high that displace off that 1 minute there, and then we literally just gonna target this internal area. This is a negative R. We could target this PXH too. So let's see. Negative. We're displacing here. Price took out this low. I need to see a candle closure here. Beautiful. We got good displacement, and then we smash full TP. So we ended the day or the week up 1.3K. We had a rough start, but I think we sealed the deal here, and then we see if we continue going a little lower. Yeah, we do bleed a little bit lower. So yeah, honestly, beautiful reaction off that 0.5 displacement. Took the displacement candle here at 10:02, smacked for internal draws right here, and then we almost peak sold, but we rebounced again, tapped into PXL, and then continuation sequence all the way down back to draws. So honestly, beautiful. We missed these longs. Wasn't really much presenting itself. This is just, there's not really a setup here. You could take any displacement entry, but again, you would just be looking for a continuation to go higher, which is a little risky. Not really much confirmation or structure in the markets. So that's that. We'll go to session results, and then we'll see how we did. This is just taking one singular trade per day. So again, this is something that you can identify. So session analytics right now, 60% win rate for the week. We took a loss, took another loss, we made it back up, made it back up again, and then we came out to profit. So we noticed that Monday and Tuesday were the low probable days, and then we banked back into just targeting a 1-on-1 RR, targeting base hits in this week, and then absolutely smacking. So realizing pride pass action is there, right? Identifying the good setups is what's probable, and then obviously just not over risking and not over leveraging in days like this, which is something that's going to keep you alive in the long run. So I love every single one of you boys. If you guys have any questions, add me and Ask Game in the Discord. And if you guys want to learn my model, OTE, join up the Discord. Let's lock in.